Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm your computer's graphics outputs and the monitor's inputs, then gather matching cables and any adapters. Once done, power both displays and position them physically where you want them. Make sure to note primary display preference and connector types. This avoids swapping cables later. Next, plug the primary monitor into the GPU's main port and the second into the next available output. Doing this first reduces driver confusion and speeds the operating system's detection process. Now you move into the operating system. Open display settings and let it detect both screens. If one is missing, use the Detect button. Once seen, drag the monitor icons to reflect physical layout, then set each display's resolution and scale so text size and sharpness match. Choose which monitor is primary to control taskbars and default full-screen behavior. Make sure to enable Extend rather than Duplicate to gain desktop space. This step is crucial because it determines how windows travel between displays. Finish by calibrating color, brightness, and scaling so both screens feel consistent. Use built-in calibration tools or simple brightness matching. Test moving windows, dragging a video full screen, and keyboard shortcuts like Windows key plus arrow keys or Mission Control on Mac. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Swap cables to rule out a bad lead, update or reinstall graphics drivers, and reboot. If problems persist, check the GPU control panel for per-display settings. Doing this usually reveals the misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.